My current PC has a Ryzen 5 3600 and a GTX 1070, which means I can pretty much play whatever game I want on mid to high settings. But there's always been one problem with it. My fans kind of suck. I have 3 Molex fans. They make some kind of light. They're not RGB. They're not configurable in any way. They're just one static light, I guess. But there's like multiple colors. Today I got something in the mail that's gonna help me fix some issues with my thermals as well as my RGB. I don't have anything to open this package with, so I'm gonna use some tools from this cheap thing I bought to fix my laptop a few months ago. Damn it. It really would help if I had some scissors or something, but I'm not prepared to do this video at all. This is safe. I'm doing it right on the glass. Jesus Christ, how much bubble wrap can you put on the outside of a fucking package? And now we have tape. I really broke the box. Now how do I get this box out? There it is. There it is. I got some DeepCool RF120 fans. This is a 5-pack I bought off Lazada. I think it's sold out right now from that particular store, but I'll try to link one in the description below if you guys want to buy one as well. I've been looking at these fans for a while now actually, because they're pretty cheap and they're RGB and they got pretty good flow. It's 56 CFM, I think. So, what's this? It's RGB. I don't know what, I'm pretty sure these are just, damn it, I really need scissors. I don't know why I didn't. I decided it's very time to slice it out. So, these are screws. Oh, crap. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then a couple of USB. Oh no, these aren't USB. And a couple of 4 fan. Damn it! I got some 4 fan hubs for the fans themselves. I think it comes with strips. Adhesive strips, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. You can just like stick them on anywhere. So there's actually 4 of them. But there's 4 per hub. So theoretically you can have oh my god, I'm so bad at math. You can have 8 fans running off 2 ports. That's good because I only have an M80X motherboard that only has 4 fan ports, I think. And then we also have this, I'm pretty sure this is for RGB. Okay, I think it's RGB. I hope it's RGB. I don't know what, it's not labeled, so I wouldn't know. So we got instructions, I think. Who needs instructions? Who needs instructions? It's 2020. And now let's take out the fans. These are really tight.
That's what she said.
I think you have to take them all out together. There they are. And they're very pretty. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's exactly how much we ordered. So there's no real surprise there. Let's put them off to the side. So now I guess it's time to I guess take apart my current PC, put these in. Alright, so we got the first 2 fans out. And it looks like my case is really dusty. So I guess we're gonna have to clean that before we put in our new fans. One thing I really don't like about this case is that, as you can see, there's no slots here at the top for the cables. So once we're gonna plug in our cables, we're gonna have to take apart the entire thing anyway. See if we put in the fans. This is much worse than what I expected. This is a lot more work. So I'm gonna pop this back in for a bit. Alright, so now that we've taken out all the fans, I'm gonna try and take out the motherboard. So, yeah, sucks.
Alright, so I just finished cable managing everything and I'm turning it on for the first time. I kind of read up about RGB cables and how you can flip them accidentally. There's no notches, so I wouldn't know because I've never used RGB cables before. Not RGB anything really. So let's just try it out. It'll turn on, and well, I guess I'm done. I just have to configure this, I guess, because it's all red for some reason. And I had it set to blue because I think Mystic Light only takes one instruction, like one color for everything. So I had it set to blue, but now it's red. I don't know what's up with that, so I'm gonna figure that out. And here's some B-roll so we can end out the video. Okay, the cables just went out. So what the fuck? Oh, it's flashing. There, it's blue. I don't need to configure anything at all. So let's go and do B-roll.
Bye.